Hi, this is the CROSSCALL Core M5 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere App on this device. So first we should get the application, the Ampere App from the Play Store. That's why in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app and click to yes, I agree, click close and tap to OK. So after that, you'll see here information about your battery health, and in my case battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.